Today we're working on Catalina. Catalina is another good dye to use up your scraps. So let's get started. This one comes in 3 different sizes. A bigger one, a medium, and a small. So let's start putting our glitters on here. So all these right here are scraps of mine. And I'm going to use it to show you guys how to do the Catalina. Okay, we have everything covered here. Get my little Sizzix plate. This one is a smaller die, so it does fit your Sizzix Big Shots. But I have the Sizzix Big Shot Plus on my cable. Here's the Sizzix Big Shot Plus. We are going to roll it through. Like that. Let's cut it out. Now we have our pieces that we need. So here's the big one. Then we have the medium size and the smaller one. So this one does not come with a center strip, so you do have to cut your own strips. But it's really simple to assemble. So first things first is what we're going to do is make them all like this, and we're going to glue them to make them a whole piece. So for the glitter ones, all you need is hot glue. The little hot glue, put this one on top and press down to make it to a whole piece. For these, since it's faux leather, I'm going to use BSI glue on one side and hot glue on the other. Sorry, I gotta open it up. I got my BSI, so I'm gonna a little dab of BSI on this one, and then hot glue on the other side, and that's how I glue these down if it's smooth faux leather. And then put these two together, and we hold. So same thing with this one. We're gonna add a little bit BSI glue and our hot glue on the other side to make it a whole piece. Like that. So now that we have all our whole pieces, what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our little one and we're gonna do a crisscross, like making an X. And you figure out like if you like your X. This one looks pretty good. We're gonna lift this up here, add some hot glue, and then glue it down like that. That is glued down. We're gonna push this up and glue it down like this. So we don't want the white to show in the back. So I'm gonna add my hot glue here. I'm gonna push up, and then once I don't see no felt backing, I'm gonna press down. And then we hold. And that makes our little bow. So there goes that one. So do the same thing on this one. We're gonna make our little X here. Make sure that we like it nice and even. That looks good. Then here, since it's smooth faux leather, we're gonna add some BSI glue and hot glue. So smooth faux leather, you have to use BSI and hot glue. On just regular glitter backing is regular hot glue. There. But here, since it's felt backing, on felt backing, regular hot glue is fine. So back here, could use just regular hot glue. Then we're gonna push up and then press down. And that makes this little one. So there goes one, here goes two. Let's do the biggest one now. So same thing. We're gonna make our little X like we like it. Cross them over, adjust it till we actually like it. Let's see. This one seems kind of long. This one more up. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, so right here, lift it up, put our BSI glue back here, and then hot glue, and then we're gonna press down. So all these are gonna vary depending on how you cross it on this, the ending size. Depending on how you cross it is the size it's gonna end up with. Add hot glue back here. I'm gonna push up and then press down. Okay, so we have our 3 different sizes, and now we're gonna add our center strip. So this one does not come with a center strip. So I cut my own. So I'm gonna add my center strips and then our clippies and show you guys how it looks like. We're gonna add hot glue to the back, get our little center strip I cut out, glue that down. I'm gonna add hot glue here. Come towards the front and then go towards the back. We're gonna cut off what we don't need. Where are my scissors? Here they are. So that's the process for the glitter one. Look how cute. Okay, so for this one, since it has the faux leather, we're gonna need to use BSI glue and hot glue. So add hot glue to this side. Hot glue. And then we're gonna stick this back here. Bring it towards the front. I'm gonna add a little bit more BSI glue here. And hot glue here. Just a little bit. Bring it up. And then cut off what we don't need in the back. Like that. So we have one and we have two. I'm going to do the last one. And that was out of clips. So for this one, I used the 60mm alligator clip. That's how the back looks like. For the other two, I'm going to use the 45mm alligator clip. But there's two different ways to do it. So this one, since it's all glitter, we use regular hot glue. So I'm going to flip it over and just get my glue gun. And all you need is hot glue. But for this one, we're going to need something else. Okay, so put our little clip on here, hold it down. Hold it down for a couple seconds. So we're going to flip it over. Make sure that this doesn't cover up the teeth, and it does. So let's trim it up just a little bit. Add hot glue to the tab. Bring it towards the middle, press down. Add hot glue here. And bring our ribbon towards the center. And get our X-Acto, and we're going to rub it to make sure that glue actually stuck onto the ribbon. Get rid of these glue strings. Get our lighter real quick. And the little one is done. So that is the little one. This is the bigger one. Now let's do the medium-sized one. So this one, since it is faux leather, we need Stick Fast and Star Bond Accelerator, y'all. So we're going to get our Stick Fast. This is the thick kind. We're gonna make our line where our alligator clip's gonna go. Kind of guesstimate it and kind of rub it. I'm not putting no more, I'm just rubbing the glue around. I'm gonna get my alligator clip and I'm gonna spray it with the Star Bond Accelerator. 2 pumps. 2 pumps. And then I'm gonna get my clip, lay it where I laid the Stick Fast at. Hold down for 10 to 20 seconds. Hold down. This one looks good here. Yes, it does. Okay, so now I'm gonna get hot glue here. Open up my clip, stick it in the middle, like that. Flip it over this side. Add hot glue to the middle again. Bring my ribbon towards the center. And then we're gonna press it down. So when you use smooth faux leather, definitely use Stick Fast and the accelerator. And it makes gluing these clips so much easier. And put that. So those are 3 different sizes: the bigger size, the medium size, and the smaller size. This one is the Catalina from Treto.com, die number 1032. And they turn out so cute, and it's great for using up scraps as well. So follow for more tutorials.